everyone, I am Siddhi Pandey and you are watching this month's Suryoday's Campus Connect. July has been a month full of events, learning and celebration across every channel of our campus. So here's a quick recap of all the highlights, both central and departmental. This month began with emotions and goodbyes as the MC department celebrated their farewell on 1st July. Let's hear from the Noor Shaba Siddiqui, who was the part of the celebration, to share how the event went.
Hello everyone, I am Nursaba Siddiqui, reporter of the MC department, bringing you the latest updates and highlights of July from MC department. The MC department recently hosted a memorable farewell ceremony to honor the outgoing seniors. Organized by juniors, the event featured emotional speeches, cultural performance, and a symbolic badge handover. Highlights included a touching video tribute, ramp walk of Mr. and Mrs. Farewell, and heartfelt moments of gratitude, leaving everyone with cherished moments. On July 29, students visited CDAC where they explored cutting-edge technologies and experienced high-tech computing labs, gaining valuable industry exposure. Following that, on July 31st, the department conducted the Raksha Revolution, a self-defense training session led by instructor Sanjay Ingole sir. Students learned practical techniques, empowering them with essential safety and self-protection skills. These initiatives enrich students both technically and personally, fostering all-round growth. Here I am Nursaba Siddiqui. Be with me for more monthly updates of MC department. Thank you.
Thank you, Noor Shaba, for sharing those warm moments from our departmental farewell. On 7th July, a central healthcare camp was organized for students and staff. It includes sickle cell testing, insulin level checkup, blood pressure, dental and eye checkups, all under one roof. It truly showed how our college cares about the health and well-being of its students. Now let's move towards for civil department. To tell us about what took place there, I invite Shalini Saratkar.
Hello everyone, I am Shalini Saratkar from 4th year Civil Engineering Department and I am here to share the regards of an exciting event that was Exampur competition held on 11th July in our department. Participants got random topics on the spot and had to speak without any preparation, which offered a platform to express thoughts freely. Here, we conducted it in 3 rounds. First, pick and speak. Participants pick a cheat and spoke for 1 minute. Second round is the mystery element. They picked a random object blindly and spoke as that object for 1 minute. Third is the situation twist. Students spoke on imagination, if I was, topic with creative twist. Judgment was based on creativity, clarity, confidence and body language. First winner is Aditi Halmare, second winner is Karan Zungare. I am Shalini Saratkar and I'll be keeping you updated with all the exciting upcoming events and news from Civil Department. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shalini, for walking us through that enthusiastic event from Civil. Now let's take a look to the Electronics and IoT department combined. I welcome Suhani Satpure from Electronics and to talk about Arthashila and Chaitanya from IoT to share what happening during the chess and carom events.
Hello everyone, this is Suhani, your reporter from ETC for Suryoday Campus Connect. Today we bring you the highlights of Arthashila 2.0, a stone art competition organized by TISA community on 8th of July. 72 groups participated, showcasing their creativity and teamwork. The event was judged by Dr. Rasika Chaple ma'am and Dr. Sangeeta Itankar ma'am. Solo winners are Riddhi Dapush from Computer Engineering Department and Prapti Umbredkar from Civil Engineering Department. Also, duet winners are Sakshi Bhoskar and Bhagyashree from ETC and Pranav and Shahid from Mechanical Engineering Department. There was also event conducted on 26 July, Kargil Day, where Yash Kumar Parkari sir and some students of the department gave speech in the memory of martyred soldiers during Operation Vijay. The event concluded with an energetic atmosphere during the national anthem. That's all for the coverage of Arthashila 2.0 and Kargil Day. Huge congratulations to the winners and a big shout out to all the participants of their creative spirit. This is Sohani signing off from Suryoday Campus Connect. Stay tuned for more exciting updates.
Hello everyone, this is Chaitanya Kadu, your reporter of IoT for Suryoday Campus Connect. Today we bring you the highlights of strategy on boards, chess and carom, a thrilling showdown of strength and skill organized by TESA committee on 19 July 2025. Coordinated by the TESA member with the support and judgment of Dr. Rasika Chafle ma'am at the SCT Sports Club. The tournament witnessed an impressive response in carom. 32 group joined us while 8 participate for chess through online registration. The time limit of 10 minutes make game more interestful. A huge appreciation to the winner Shanu Dhabekar and Saurav Chauhan in carom and Sheher Yar Ansari in chess. And a big shout out to the all participants of their competitive spirit. There also the ETC department fresher party on 27 July 2025, a night of remember. The highlights of evening was the Mr. and Miss Fresher competition. The talent fresher from ETC and IoT both departments showcased their charm. The winner were Yuganti Mankar and Ayan Khan from IoT, also Vansh Kothare and Khushi Ramteke from ETC department. The evening were fully with delicious dinner and electrifying disco night with that left everyone growing to the beats. That's all for the coverage of. This is Chaitanya Kadu signing off for Suryoday Campus Connect. Stay tuned under the more exclusive update. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Suhani and Chaitanya. It was great to see such engagement from both your departments. On 15 July, the U2U conference was conducted at central level for final year students. It introduced a Singapore-based course focused on skills, development and future opportunities, an informative session that added direction to students' professional goals. Move ahead to the computer department. I would like to call Aishwarya Dole to take us through their departmental.
Hello everyone, I am Aishwarya Dole from the Computer Engineering Department here to share the latest update from our department. This month, our department organized an exciting debugging competition which aimed at improving students' logical thinking and problem-solving skills. The event was conducted under the guidance of faculty members and technical coordinators. Participants were given codes to fix the errors in the given time limit, testing their accuracy, speed and programming knowledge. The first place was secured by Gaurav Wagmare, Kartike Kolle and Suhani Bode. Our runner-ups were Harsh Dharmik, Vivek Dhumankede and Sheryar Ansari. To conclude, the event was a huge success and a great learning experience for all of us. So now, I'm the reporter of Computer Engineering Department signing off now and stay connected with me for more such monthly updates.
Thank you, Aishwarya. The energy and technical vibe from CS was clearly visible. From 21st to 31st July, a central level skill development program was conducted by Infosys for all final year students. The session focused on improving communication, confidence and placement preparation. It was surely a great opportunity for career building. Now, let's move towards the electrical department to know more about what they conducted. Let's welcome Pranay for the details.
Warm welcome to everyone. Myself Pranay Nagarkar from Electrical Engineering Department had brought some news regarding event conducted in July month. We have conducted two great events. First is a guest lecture on AutoCAD and Revit MEP, and another is a poster making competition named Roar of the Tiger on account of the Tiger Days. In the first event, students have learned AutoCAD. In the second event, students submitted their posters which have displayed for exhibition held on 29th July and winners were announced on the basis of judging in the exhibition. Thank you for listening to me. I will back with more updates in the next month. Thank you.
That was well covered. Thank you so much, Pranay, for the updates. Take a quick stop at the data science department where Monali Dopte is ready to tell us about the event they hosted.
Hello everyone, I am Ronald Dopte from the Data Science Department here with the latest best for July. Straight from the campus of Suryoday College of Engineering and Technology, the Data Science Student Association proudly presents one of the most awaited technical events of the semester, that is Innovators Quest. Score it, build it, think it and win it. This high energy one-day competition is all about brain power, creativity and teamwork. Date 28 July, time 12:30 p.m. Open to teams of 4 students from all branches. Get ready for 3 thrilling rounds. Round 1, score it. Crack code, solve aptitude and rebuild stories. Round 2, build it. Construct a catapult using popsicle sticks. Round 3, think it. A fast-paced quiz to test your thinking. This is your reporter Brunali signing off. Stay connected with me for more monthly updates from Data Science Department.
Thank you, Pranali. The spirit of innovation was clearly captured there. For the next, I would like to request Ritu Rangdale from the Mechanical Department to please share the monthly events.
Hello everyone, I am Ritu Rahangdale, reporter of Mechanical Department of Suryadev College of Engineering and Technology. On 29 July, the Mechanical Department of Suryadev College of Engineering and Technology took a commendable step towards a greenery future by organizing a tree plantation drive within the college campus. This initiative aimed to spread awareness about environmental conservation and promote sustainable practices among students and faculty under the guidance of respected principal sir, vice principal sir, faculty members. Students enthusiastically participated by planting saplings and pledging to our planet. Here I am Ritu Rahangdale, your reporter from Mechanical, signing off from Suryodaya Campus Connect. Stay connected with me for more monthly updates from Mechanical Department. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Ritu. That was a great initiative. Also, this month, our college introduced departmental forum committees for every branches. The students' interviews was conducted by Dr. Rasika ma'am, giving departments their own care, terms and conditions. A big step towards collaborative students' leadership. So, that was a July recap at Suryadeva's Campus Connect. A big thanks to all the departmental reporters for their valuable inputs, and thank you to everyone watching here. We will be back with more updates, achievements and activities in the coming videos. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the official YouTube channel. Stay tuned, stay connected. Thank you.